Diana Eli Rahmawati. Today I'm going to share my opinion about Indonesian current president, Prabowo Subianto. In this presentation, I'll talk about his background, leadership style, achievement, challenge, and what I personally think about his role as a leader of our country. Let's begin. For the first, I want to talk about his background. Prabowo Subianto is one of the most well-known political figure in Indonesia. Before becoming president, he has a long career in the military, serving as a lieutenant general in the Indonesian Army. His strong background in defense and national security has shaped the way he thinks and leads. Prabowo was born on October 17, 1951 in Jakarta. His father, Somito Jojo Hadjokusumo, was a representative economist, and his Dora Sigar came from a family with a strong nationalist background. This mix of military and intellectual influence made him both disciplined and strategic before becoming president. Prabowo ran for the presidency several times in 2014 and 2019 before finally being elected. In 2024, his presidents show that he is someone who does essentially give up on his goals. To leadership style. Prabowo leadership style is often described as firm, disciplined, and naturalistic. Because of his military experience, he tends to focus on order, unity, and security. He often speaks about the importance of defending Indonesian sovereignty, importing the welfare of solidarity, and strengthening the nation's independence is various sectors, especially food and defense. Many people see him as a strong leader, someone who confident as decisive. Three achievement and vision is to make Indonesia more self-reliant, especially in food production and defense. As Minister of Defense before becoming president, he introduced several programs to modernize Indonesian military. Now, as president, he continues this mission with a focus on developing domestic industries so that Indonesia can depend less on imports. He also support programs that aim to improve farmers' welfare, build food estates, and strengthen local production. For challenge and criticism, of course, every leader has challenge. For President Prabowo, one of the biggest challenges is balancing power and democracy. Because of his firm personality and military background, some people worry that his administration may become too centralized or less open to public criticism. Another challenge is managing economic inequality and environmental issues. 5. My personal opinion. In my opinion, President Prabowo is a leader with strong character and clear determination. He truly loves Indonesia and wants the country to become stronger and more independent. His discipline and sense of nationalism are admirable, especially in a world where many leaders focus more on popularity than principles. Thank you for listening to my presentation. I hope this gives you a clear and balanced view of President Prabowo Subianto. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye-bye. Next is simple present tense. About simple present tense is 1. Definition. The simple present tense is used to talk about habits, daily routines, general traits, and fixed situations. Next is basic formula. 1. Positive subject plus verb 1, she or es plus object. For subject, I, you, we, they. And for formula, verb 1, example is I eat breakfast every morning. And for subject, he, she, it. And for formula, verb 1 plus she is es, she or es. Example, she is She eats breakfast every morning. And 2. Negative. Subject plus do or does plus not plus verb 1. For subject, I, you, we, they. The formula do plus subject plus verb 1, do not or don't plus verb 1. Now for example, they don't play football. He, she, it. For formula, does plus subject plus verb 1, does not or don't plus verb 1. For example, he don't play football. Next 3 is interrogative. Do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus object plus interrogative or question. And for subject, I, you, we, they. For formula, do plus subject plus verb 1. And for example, do you like coffee? And for the subject, he, she, it. And for formula, does plus subject plus verb 1. And for example, does she like coffee? And when to use the simple present tense. And for have 1, habits or routine. And for example, I go to school every day. And 2, general trust. Or example, the sunrise in the east. And permanent situation. Example is she lives in Jakarta. Or for instruction or direction is like open your book please. Next is definition again, and therefore the simple present tense is a tense used to express. 1 is habits or routines, things we do regularly. And next is general truths or facts. And 3, permanent situation and instruction or direction. 5, schedule, future event or especially related to timetable. And for example, 1 is I go to school every morning. 2, the sun rises in the east. And 3, the train leaves at 7 p.m. And for function and use is A, habitual action, used to describe action that happen regularly. And for example, is 1 is she drinks milk every night. 2, I play basketball every weekend. Next is general truths or facts, used to describe action that happen regularly. 1 is water boils at 100 Celsius. And 2, the earth orbits the sun. And next is permanent situation, used for things that are generally or always true. And for example, 1 is he lives in Jakarta. 2, my parents work in a hospital. Next is schedule or timetables, for use for fixed future event, especially public schedule. For example, the plane leaves at 6 p.m. tomorrow. 2, school start at 7:30 a.m. Instruction or directions, used when giving direction or instruction. Example, 1 is you open the book and read page 10. 2, first, mix the flour and sugar. Is time expression. For time expression is 1 is every day. For example sentence is I read a book every day. 2, for time expression is every morning. And for example sentence is she drinks milk every morning. And 3, on Sundays. For time expression is on Sundays. And for example sentence is we go swimming on Sundays. 4, for time expression is once a week, and for example sentence is he plays football once a week. 5 is twice a month. For example sentence is I visit my grandma twice a month. Next is example or all form. For type positive, for example, she likes ice cream. And type for negative, and for example, she don't like ice cream. And type interrogative, for example, is does she like ice cream? And next for type positive, for example, is they work hard every day. And for type negative, for example, they don't work on weekend. For type interrogative, example is do they work every day? And next is common mistakes. Does is he don't like cats, and for yes, he don't like cats. Does she go to school every day? And yes, she goes to school every day. Does he plays football? Yes. Does he play football? Next is practice exercise. Conclusion of simple present tense. The simple present tense is used to express daily routines, habits, general truths, facts, and permanent situations. It describes actions that happen regularly or are always true in the present time. And for the key points is use the base from of the verb for I, you, we, they. For example, I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. And for it, negative s or negative as to the verb when the subject is he, she, or it. For example, she eats breakfast at 7 a.m. And use do or does is negative and question form. For example, I don't like coffee, or does she like coffee? And for often used with adverb of frequency is always, usually, often, sometimes, or never. It shows actions that are habitual, factual, or permanent. Thank you.